Jesus. I will call you Jesus. I love to call upon your name. We call him
Jesus.
He's Alpha,
Jesus.
and Omega. I love this name.
Calling your name.
This name is bigger than cancer.
Jesus.
It is bigger than high blood pressure,
Jesus.
diabetes,
Every day.
tuberculosis. Bow at the name of Jesus.
Is the same.
Even HIV/AIDS. He's a healer.
Jesus.
He can be a lawyer in the courtroom,
Jesus.
a doctor in the sick room. Oh, I love to call upon this name.
Calling your name.
Do you know that if you're hungry, he can be bread?
Jesus.
You thirsty, he's water.
Jesus.
Whatever you need in this life.
Every day.
I don't know how many people can survive without this name, Jesus. Listen, how I love just to call this name every day. Your name is the same. How I love just to call your name every day. Your name is the same. That's why I say Jesus.
Jesus.
Early in the morning,
Jesus.
late in the noon, I love to call.
Calling your name.
In the midnight hour, Jesus.
Jesus.
When everybody sleeps,
Jesus.
I get down on my knees and call this name.
Is the same.
I don't get tired to call upon your name, Jesus.
Jesus.
Hi, Jesus.
Jesus.
I love to call your name.
Calling your name.
Oh, that's the same name
Jesus.
that healed,
Jesus.
that same name that saves.
Every day.
Every day your name is the same.
Is the same.
That's the name my mother told me.
Jesus.
She said to me, son, the name Jesus.
Jesus.
It is everything. I love to call your name. Oh, I love Jesus.
Jesus.
I love Jesus. Oh, every day. Your name is the same. Your name is the same. Every day your name is the same. You never change. Every day your name is the same. You've never let me down. Your name is the same. This name is the same. This name is the same. Every day your name is the same.